Right about now.
Osas, don't let me swear for you.
Mommy, if you were gume, Osalova. Mommy, if you were gume.
Make a Move is a movie about two sisters, Osas and Esosa, and their journey to discovering freedom. It's a movie that shows people can escape from abuse through art, whether dancing, whether standing on a cliff and screaming your head off, just something to express yourself. It's a movie about the emancipation of females generally, but it also has lots of entertaining aspects like dance, and then there's obviously the falling in love, which every story needs, or most stories need.
It teaches, everybody, young men, women and children, how to heal through the best form of expression, which is art.
You don't see all the same old people doing the same thing all over again. You see new people with old people, and then it gives a mixture and a variety and a diversity in the whole thing we do for a living.
You see now, Osas. Eh? And you had the audacity to come in here and accuse him. Eh, Osas? Please.
Ella is the everyday woman that lives in Africa.
Oh wait, since it's my money, I'll take 70, you take 30. New clothes!
When it comes to money that you know, Matt, no.
Esosa is like the baby of the family. Her mom loves her, her sister loves her, everyone loves her. She's just really lovable. She's always protected. They give her anything she wants just to make her happy. She's like the angel, the adored one of the family. Everyone loves her.
Shuma, actually, he's a dance lover. He works in the dance studio. So anything about dance basically strikes his attention.
But I play one of my dream roles, Mafia. The Godfather kind of feel in a casino. But when I was called to play it, I was really excited about it because I realized it was with Wale Adebayo. I'd seen his movies and I liked it. And if you see how tall and intimidating he is compared to how I'm supposed to treat him in the script, I really loved it. So my character is really interesting for me to pull across.
Don't you dare tell me about the love for dance! Don't even try it! That's the only thing that makes me feel close to my father. That's the one thing that helps me forget about how broken I am, or how messed up my family is, or how stressful my whole life is. You hear?
Ivie Okujaye. First and foremost, she's a really good friend of mine, and I think she's a fantastic actress. I always say this, I brag about her all the time. I think she's really good, and she's just very humble, and I love how passionate she is, because I always love to deal with passionate people, and she's very passionate and she's very talented, and she totally delivered in this film. I mean, you guys are going to love her character. She did so well, and I'm just really happy to be a part of her project.
This is how we react in films. Keep.
Working with Niyi Akimolayan, Niyi goes for what he knows is best. He plans ahead. Niyi is that kind of director that you can approach him with just about any budget, but a good story, and he will bring it to life. He's very patient. He's an actor's director and still a technical director. He's one of the people that actually studied it and comes naturally to him as well. So both kind of make him really strong at what he does.
Me is a very calm and focused, director, and there's this way that he makes you as an actor to get into yourself and get into the character and make stuff happen.
Today, which one be all this one? I dey piece my body, you crazy. Now, feel with the truth. That's why I can't piece my body. You mad? Continue that. Continue. Tell me, wait. Shall go piece my body? As bow, see my clothes. Don't wait. From fear, just see God. Don't piece.
I just want to do script on a real thing. You really worried on yourself. I know it's a real gun, but Jimmy,
Call the director. This is bullshit. I'm tired of it.
Creativity at its best. We were a family on the set, all of us, from the small to the big to it was a beautiful big family.
At first, it didn't look like we were going to achieve much, but then, looking at the film, it came out looking really nice.
Make a Move is a movie that I think everybody needs to see. Men, women, children, husbands, wives, students. Everybody needs to see because there's a lesson for practically everyone in the film.
If you're in an abused home, you should be bold and confident. Tell anyone your problems, because if you just keep it to yourself, like you're dying inside slowly.
Watch the movie, and I bet you money back guarantee that you will tell me I should come and have dinner in your house when you're done watching it.
My jacket is shining all over the place, and this movie truly is my knight in shining armor. Yeah! Make a move! Oh yeah, show me your move. Walk up!
Right about now.